Hey, it's Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to block contacts on iPhone. Now, before we begin, please subscribe to the channel, it helps out a lot. So basically, you need to click on your call icon and find that contact you want to block. So let's say I want to block this one. I will scroll down and click on block this caller. Now, as you can see, you will not receive phone calls, messages or FaceTime from people on block list. So this person won't be able to contact me, send me messages and etc. The other way to do it is that you won't block them entirely, but if you set up your focus mode, that person or everybody who's on this list won't be able to contact you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.